Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, guys, I am bringing you guys along with me. It's gonna be like a little weekly vlog, just like little snips of here and there of what I actually did throughout the week. The majority of the week I was pretty much sick, but anyhow, here we go. Let's go ahead and get started. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below so you can be part of my YouTube family. And let's go ahead and get started with this weekly vlog. Here we go. Good morning. So we are starting off with a little quick car wash. We are on the drive-through and I already got my workout done. I already went to the marqueta and I got my veggies and fruits because we are about to juice. Once we get home, you gotta fuel your body. And yeah, we needed to wash this car. It's super dirty and mugroso because of the weather. It's been like rainy and it's been ugly lately. And I'm also still sick. So I've been wearing my mascara, my mask. And yeah guys, so that's what we're doing today. Well, actually this week I'm gonna insert like different clips of what I do throughout the week. Right now we're just in the car wash. It feels kind of funny in here. I feel like I'm inside like a dishwasher. Like I really wonder what goes through like the dishwashing cycle. Like what's the process? So I feel like kind of like that's what it feels like. Anyhow, I'm crazy. But yeah, so right now we're currently in the car wash and yeah, we're gonna go juice once we get home and I'll bring you guys along that as well. So if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you leave your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, let's go ahead and go on with our vlog for the week. Okay guys, so let me know if you guys have tried this, but this drive-through, if you guys know, if you're here in Bakersfield, obviously this one is the drive-through and it's called ¿cómo se llama este lugar? It used to be the Cruise-through, but I think now it's like the Mister. So they put the titanium. Ooh, I noticed the diaphragm. It's super shiny and sparkly clean. So I think I'm liking this titanium and I think I'm going to upgrade my, subscription for the car wash with the titanium. Let me know if you guys have tried it before. But yeah, I'm just enjoying this little cruise through car wash situation. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start juicing. You know, we gotta feel our body. And I'm just literally cutting my turmeric on there. And I am also gonna, you know what? I'm gonna do this whole batch of bunny carrots that I got at Sam's Club. They are organic, they're fresh carrots. And yeah, I'm gonna start juicing. I'm just cutting the little butts off. You know, like the ends like that. And I'm throwing them on here because I need to wash all of that. And I am just going to rinse them, make sure they're nice and clean. And hopefully they're good to go. I'm gonna be using my juicer, of course. And the turmeric looks very much like a carrot. And it also does sting your teeth. I remember, I was like my first time eating turmeric, you guys, and I ate it and I was like, oh my God, it tastes like kind of like a carrot. It's related to the carrots, I think. And I didn't know that it had stained my teeth so yellow. Like I didn't know that it did that because it's like super, super potent. Dude, I had my teeth super bright yellow. People probably thought that I did not brush my teeth like for a whole year. I don't know, something crazy like that. I'm also gonna add some pineapple to me juice to give it some extra flavor. And this is how I cut my pineapple. I don't know if there's a faster way to do it or not, but that's just how I do it. And it works. And then all these is trash. I'm gonna throw that away. And I love my juicer, guys. I use the Nama juicer. It was pretty fancy, but it was so well worth every single freaking penny. So basically this juicer here, guys, it's so good. I have to do a video on it. But anyways, you just throw it cuts your time in half. You don't have to cut your fruits and vegetables into little tiny pieces. because this shit will literally like chop it up on its own. You just kind of like throw all your shit in there, like that. Your whole recipe. Here's another piece of piña to go with it, and maybe add a little bit more carrots, like that. And I'm just gonna close it. Let me bring you guys around this way so you guys can see what the flip I'm talking about. So this one's the Nama juicer that I am talking about. So you basically just throw your whole batch of fruits and vegetables and goodness and nutrients all up in there, and then you just power it on and it'll start doing its thing. It saves your time because you don't have to prep your food or anything like that. On this side, it's gonna start to throw out. Look how fast it is, guys. I freaking love my juicer. Yeah, it'll start throwing out the fiber. And then on this side, I forgot to open the tank. But yeah, it'll start throwing out all your juices, and you could just throw a whole recipe in there. Look, guys, less than like 43 seconds, this shit is already like halfway down. And I love it. It just saves me so much time. It just fuels my body. It gives me extra energy. And it keeps me on check, you know? I'm drinking my nutrients. And I still have like the rest of this to go. And here's a little chunk of turmeric. Oh, it does have a ollito in here. I forgot. So if I wanted to, I could go ahead and do that as well. Look how fast it's going down. Hold it down. You could do that, but I don't like to put my stuff down. I ain't doing that. I just like to throw the whole batch in there. Yeah. Okay, guys. So it looks like my juices are pretty much done being juiced. And I like to put it on this jug because from this jug, then I move it over to my, ¿cómo se dice? The vasitos, like this. These vasitos, I like to store them in the refrigerator, and then I'll just fill them up. Oh, Lord. Okay, I hope I don't mess this up. But anyhow, I just fill them up like that. And I'll leave them in the fridge so they could get really nice and cold, fresh, pressed juice. And I saved me so much money because if I would have gone somewhere else to buy them, you know, it gets expensive. Okay, guys, and here is the batch of juices. We were able to make 5 of them. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and store these and pop them in the fridge. Up in here somewhere. And yeah, and then I'll take a drink, and they just fuel your body. They give you energy. They're good, and I love it. Also, guys, I am going to prep up some little fruit bowls because if I don't prep the food, the kids will just freaking let it sit there and rot, and I ain't about that because everything is so damn expensive. So I'm just gonna do these little fruit bowls for them, put them in the fridge, and bet they're gonna fucking eat it with tajin. They love tajin. They love to add a sazon to their food, as so do I. But I did buy the low sodium tajin because we gotta take care of our blood sugar. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and add some piña to it. We're gonna chop some strawberries, some of them, other berries, raspberries, some blueberries. I love these. Hopefully they're not like amargas and like sour. I don't like that. And then some green grapes. So yeah, y pues obviously la piña, the pineapple. And yeah, I'm gonna prep it for them, put them in a little bowl, throw them in the fridge. That way they're like ready to go. And it's just like a healthy snack. That way they're not trying to munch on some damn chips and candy and, you know, and so on and so forth. Okay, guys, and here are my pretty fruit bowls. Don't they look so delish? So yeah, fruit prep is done, and now I'm gonna get to cooking for the day. Like to start early, I'm gonna do like a seafood mix soup because I'm still sick and I want some nice warm caldo. I found this seafood mix at Winco, and it has a mixture of giant calamari, mussels, shrimp, and scallops. So it has like all the goodness. It's defrosting, so I think it's about ready to go. So I'm gonna start cooking mi caldito de caramones. And I got this bag too. Raw shrimp. They're so good. Yeah, we're gonna start cooking for the day. And I'm gonna store these away. They look so delish. I was actually able to pull out 3 more containers and do 3 extra bowls. These are a little bit bigger. But yeah, this is our fruit prep for the week. And they look so delicious. And here is Miss Izzy Girl and Iggy Boy. And they love their strawberries. They love their berries because it keeps them youthful. It keeps them from aging just as they do to us humans. Frying my ingredients for my caldo, but I do need some more. I'm missing something. I'm missing the oregano. Guys, I love adding oregano to everything. This is actually not oregano by itself. It has like red chili pepper flakes. It has like a dried onion. I don't know, but this is the menudo mix, and I get it at Winco. Oh fudge, the little lid just broke because I use it so much. I use it for everything. I just love oregano with everything. It just gives it like an extra hint of a flavor. So yeah, we're just frying the salsita. I do need to get my lata de chile chipotle as well. And also, I do need to add some Old Bay because I like my shit spicy. Guys, I'm also going to put some chile chipotle. This is from La Costeña, I believe. We like our shit spicy. Spicy, but not too spicy. We just love the flavor. Y luego le voy a poner consomé de caramón. Maybe just like 1 spoon like that. Yes, this gives it the extra shrimpy flavor that I want. Guys, and here is the caldito de caramones. I am so hungry, like literally my mouth is watering. I'm just gonna add a bunch of freaking lemon and some chilito to add some additional spice and flavor. And yeah, guys, bon appetit. Good morning, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for the day, and I need to do my makeup for the day so I can feel better. If I look better, I feel better. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm also gonna film it because I got some new makeup that I want to try out and test out, and new products, and yeah, so that'll be a separate video. So I'll be back once I'm done getting ready. Okay, guys, so full face of makeup is done, hair is did, outfit is did. Now I am just going to go on throughout the rest of my day. I actually have a lot of laundry to fold. I am not even playing. My whole bed full of freaking laundry. It's fresh out of the dryer. I've just been piling it because I haven't, you know, like I really don't feel like folding it, but I'm gonna fold it. I need to fold it and I need to put it away, and that's that. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing my laundry, and I'll just go on throughout the rest of my day. I already feel so much better just by, you know, getting ready, doing my makeup, doing my hair, putting a fit on, and you know, I feel so much better now. Yeah, I do need to take my medication as well. It is already time, and yeah, lots of laundry to do, guys. So here's my pile of laundry. I'm gonna get to it, I'm gonna tackle it, and I'm gonna get it done. No more procrastinating, okay? No, not this year. Absolutely not. Guys, so I am at the soccer park. I am gonna sit this one out in the car because it's super cold out there, and I'm just spying on my hubby right here. Man crush every day. He's just like warming up. Yeah, because he plays with the veteranos. He's an old man. He qualifies to be in the old man team. And there's my father-in-law. He's so funny. So yeah, they play in the same team. And yeah, it's super entertaining. And there's Tony and Aiden right there. They're so funny. They're always fighting for the ball. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit this one out. I'm in my core and yeah, just admiring the hubby, you know. Look at him warming up. Look at how athletic. He swears. Okay guys, and we are now at, what freaking store is this? Forever 21. And they have like a 50% off a blowout sale like throughout the entire store. And I found the cutest pajamas ever. I'm gonna get them, but I'm still shopping around. You know, retail therapy of the week. Can't miss my session. We did a little shopping at H&M. I love their basics, are so cute. So yeah, just shopping at the mall for today. Guys, well, we just got home recently. What the flip? I feel like I have something in my eye. Anyhow, well, we just got home from our retail therapy session and I found some great little like basics. I love me the basics from like H&M. We went to H&M, Forever 21. You know what, you guys? I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like a shopping haul video of what I got because I went to, I also went to Sam's Club and I got some clothes there. I got some shoes from Nordstrom. Damn, I really have something in my eye. Anyhow, yeah, so that'll be a separate video. And I also went to the mail because I had a little box waiting for me. So Merit did send me some PR. So thank you to Merit. So yeah, I want to unbox this with you guys as well. And yeah, guys, so I'll do that in a separate video, like a whole little shopping haul of what I purchased, you know, from the retail therapy session that we can't miss every week. Cannot miss my retail therapy. So yeah. Okay, guys, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and tidy up this vlog for this week here. I'm going to continue to try to film as much as I can for the week, the upcoming week. We're going to do a reset Sunday tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this video, do what I got to do for today, finish up my laundry because I'm still not done with my laundry, guys. Tidy that up, reset to have everything ready for the week, to start the new week because today's Saturday, but tomorrow's going to be Sunday, the 18th, and then the 19th is my sister's birthday on President's Day, and I will not be able to spend it with her, but I'm wishing her a happy, happy, happy birthday. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope that you guys liked it. Leave me some comments down below. I will bring you guys along my week next week, and yeah, that'll be it. If you like this video, please make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope to see you guys on my next vlog. Bye. Guess I'm the plug, yes I'm the truck, pass me a lighter. Just light it up, let's blaze it up this